Hello, what's going on everyone? It's Oliver. I'm back at it with my 2023 Honda Civic Type R. And you might be wondering, why is it nighttime and why are my turn signals and reverse lights on? And that's because today we're going to be addressing the Honda Civic Type Rs as well as any 11th generation Civic, one of the biggest things that Honda kind of missed out on. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you could really tell from the video, but the rear turn signals and the reverse light are actually halogen from the factory. Now, it's probably to, save costs because you already have LEDs on the brake lights as well as the mirror and the front headlights and turn signals. So I guess to cut costs, even with the Civic Type R, they made these halogen, but today I have the solution and the perfect upgrade for them. So a company by the name of Lasfit reached out to me and wanted to send me a set of their lights to show you guys the difference between LED and halogen. So let's get these put in. It's very, very simple. All right, so we've got the Lasfit LEDs here. There's a very simple swap. All right, so you have a panel here. We're gonna get a flat head. Ideally, you want to use a plastic pry tool. Don't have access to one at the moment. There's a little nub in here. Pry it away. Okay, I definitely just broke it. That's okay. Don't be like me. You want to take out these two Phillips. All right, once those two are out, the headlight, you kind of want to, there's two little pins in here, so. And now you have your plug in the backside here. So what you want to do first is unplug it and then twist the socket over to the left and it'll pop right out. So from Lasfit, they make their 7443 ambers. Now what's nice about these Lasfits is that they come with the technology already inside the taillight to prevent it from hyperflashing, which is a super common issue when switching your LEDs over to, or your bulbs over to LED. But all you gotta do is take this out. I think these are reversible, so we're just gonna have to see which side works and which side doesn't. I'm going to temporarily plug this back in. And there you go. Holy shit, that is bright. Yeah. I just dropped it. I'm gonna have to test that out again. Okay, you guys need to cut me some slack here. It is like 30 degrees out, but I wanted to get this video out. Okay, don't be like me. I dropped the whole bulb into the headlight or the tail light, but it is okay because we got it in now. There you go. Now let's do everything in reverse. Put it back together. Hopefully not break anything else. So let's try to do the other one and not break it, because I'll be pretty sad if I do. Pretty sure I just broke the other one. That one's not on. Oh, it's so bright. That's what it looks like, quite bright. The reverse lights are quite simple. There are these plastic panels on the hatch. A flathead, a pry tool. There we go. You should plug them first. Twist. Pull them out. Whoa. So same deal. Put them in. Let's plug it in to do a little test. So you have to put the car into accessory mode to Get it going. All right, reverse camera is on. So it means, so that light's on. This one's not. This one just needs to be flip-a-rood. Oh my God, it's blinding bright. Ooh, don't drop that. Once you get in the socket, reach in there with your other finger, get it a little locked in, and then you can lock it into place. Holy difference, look at that. Wow, it's kind of blinding. Oh dear. Okay, don't do what I did. Don't drop it there. You should probably just sit down. Hey guys, don't be me. This is very much DIY friendly, but unfortunately I'm just a bit dumb. This should slip in. It will look a little like this. And something that we should also take a look at is how much brighter the rear view is. That is so much brighter than factory, I will say. I'm never working in the cold again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this install video. Don't run into the difficulties that I did. You're much smarter than I am, much more capable. And don't do it in the cold. Plastic gets pretty cold and breaks easily. But yeah, that's been it for today's video. Thank you, Lasfit, again for sponsoring this video and sending these lights out to me. If you guys want to check out Lasfit, I'll leave them in the description below. But until next time, bye-bye.